Hi everyone, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, I'm going to provide you StaadPro and Etab course which is related to the building design from start to end, okay, with a limited cost within these 4 days. So these are the coupon codes I'm providing you, okay, only up to 8th of April 2024, whereas this course will available in 399 rupees. So if you want to buy this course, you can just click the link in the description box and buy this course, because we all know that building design is a very crucial phenomenon in the civil industry, and that we can only grab it by using the various software such as StaadPro, Etab, and many more softwares. So I have created these courses on udemy.com, whereas you will get a certification of completion. Okay. So for StaadPro, which is in a Hindi language, already 237 students enrolled for this course. But in this course, you will learn the building design, estimation and costing of building, advanced foundation design, different type of foundations such as pile cap foundations, isolated foundations, raft foundations, combined foundation, and strap foundations. And also you will get the detailed reinforcement design of building using the shear wall. So one video I already provided here as a preview. So you can just click on this video and the preview will come in. So you can see that this every single explanation has been made into this course, and you can able to do your building design from start to end. So you can see the introduction, modeling of building, load assignment, design of building using RCDC, foundation design and staircase design is explained in this course from start to end. So if you want to avail this course, okay, you need to just click the link in the description box and you can just start learning this. Apart from that, these courses are always on udemy.com for a lifetime period, so you no need to buy again and again. Once you buy, you can just use multiple times. Another course is the etab software, using the etab software, the building design, whereas you will learn the design of RCC building, column detailing, step-by-step design of building, beam detailing and slab detailing. This is something very important, my dear friends. Okay, and you can see here also I am teaching you the introduction, basic modelings, analysis of model with loading conditions, reinforcement detailing of column and beam, design of slab, footing design, and many more things, right? And also you will get a certifications of completion. So only these courses are available up to the 8th of April, and these all courses you can easily access for lifetime period. So let me tell you one thing. If you wanted to become the structural designer, you should aware you there is a knowledge gap of the etab and StaadPro software should be filled up very early stage. Okay, if you not filled at early stage, what will happen is you will face problem that how to get into it, how to design the softwares, how to do the detailing and all these things. So this is something very important, my dear friends, right? So I am providing the link. Whomsoever wants to join this course, because StaadPro is in Hindi language and etab in English language. So you can join this course by clicking the link in the description box and try to enhance your skills at the higher level. Okay, so see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.